What's up, guys? So this is my 2022 station tour, and fuck it, let's get right into it, bro. As you can see, we got a new chair. It doesn't match the whole shop, but I did get it for only 250 bucks. My first few days was like, I don't know. If you want to buy it for 250 bucks, let me know. Very nice. It's just the headrest doesn't lock. If you look up top, we got the GODOX light. This is the newer light. All the links to everything that I have on here will be down below. Coming from my station, it's like mirror on top. I've always wanted the full body mirror, so I went ahead and got that. I'm gonna show you guys the before and after also of what this looked like. It's still needing a touch up the wall, just because of expansion. You might see some white spots there. The time of recording this is pretty early. There's still going to be changes in this station, but I wanted to show you guys regardless. This is from Amazon. It's a little bit too short, but I'm okay with it just because I'm a shorter guy. I'm like 5'5", 5'6". I usually put all my stuff that I reach for on top anyway. You can see all my tools are in there for now, barber side, but usually I would have them here. Take a look at my top shelf. Usually I just have a neck duster for my clippers. I dust it off. And this one's for clients. Water, cool care, obviously, blade. And I only have 3 guards on top. Usually they'd be right here. 1.5, 1 and 0.5. And then my shears there. Second drawer, usually for styling, I just have blow dry, my Denman brush, my styling clips. And usually I have my styling comb there, but it's in the barber side right now. And then the third one, I actually took it out because I wanted space so that I can stand up my Bronze Series 9 and my detailer charger. So this is my charging station right now. As you can see, if I close this, there's no cords. It's legit just my blow dryer, just because I can't hide this. Blow dryers, they need a cordless one, man. They need to make one. And then at the bottom is just this extension cord I got from Amazon, and all the cords come to the back and all just charges here. So overnight, I just leave them all charging. But I do have 2 pairs of a pair of everything, so that it's never dying on me while I'm cutting. So usually I charge one, use one. Yeah, if I take out this clipper, I have to make sure in the middle of the day that I'm charging this one. Same thing with shaver and trimmer. This is literally all I need. And then extension cord, nice and neat. This mirror is from IKEA, and there's LED strips at the back, changes colors. It's not the brightest, but you know, it's a little subtle touch to it. We got my camera that I just mounted for better content creation workflow. Obviously, anyone can just put a tripod, but sometimes it can get in the way. I put a dummy battery, so I don't have to charge this battery at all. It can record as long as I have storage. Like today, I'm gonna take this SD card. I just take the SD card, take this home, take the footage out, and then put it in again. It's 256 gigs, so that should be enough for all my cuts that I want to record that day. And it, like I said, it doesn't die. I got my 50mm 1.8 on my A6000. You can literally buy this from Facebook for like $400 or $500. It's a way better quality than your iPhone. But if you have an iPhone, just use that if you don't want crazy background blur. The mount is from Amazon. I like it. I can go high shot, low shot, and turn this around. I'm trying out the high shot with this today. But dude, my favorite part of the setup, let's say I wanted to do a photo shoot or anything, I'll just block my mirror. And this is movable. This shit got wheels, dog. Boom. Damn, it's a backdrop. The best part is the lighting's pretty much already set up for it. Let's say I want to start taking nice pictures of my clients again for portfolio. I would pick out, you know, who's got the nice fits and stuff, do a portrait this way. And it's got main lighting, back lighting. Also got some track lights here. Pointing, I'm trying it out. I just put it up at the end of the day just because it was so dark on this side. But yeah, the backdrop is made by my client. I'm just cutting him for free for doing the walls. If you want a future wall like that, he's doing it for cheap right now. Just because he just started, make sure You holler at him soon if you're thinking of doing a future wall, any renovation in your house. He's still cheaper just because he's getting started, but you get the quality of already like someone that's been doing it a long time. Let's say I don't want this backdrop anymore. Let's go. Boom. Or I can even go like this. That's good enough. They don't need the top half. Let's say I wanted to do a haircut tutorial or something. I can just roll my whole station. As long as the cord's long enough, I can cut on this side, you know. Boom. Yep. Backdrop. So versatile. I am gonna do more mods and more different shit to add on here. What else did I miss? There is one more backdrop, but we need to set that up. It's like a white one. Oh, this one's not even on right now. If you want a breakdown of my tools, I do have another video as well. I just uploaded that one, and now I already have an updated video, but I like change, and we're trying this out. Here are some shots that I took also from this angle. Show some B-rolls, and then yeah. All right, if you want more videos, more tutorials, check out my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I'm at 1K now, so start monetizing. We can start getting more serious with YouTube now. And yeah, see you on the next video.